In this video, I'm going to show you how I created this eye look. If you want to see how I did the rest of my makeup, please check out my other videos. So let's just get started with Itsmyrayeraye BH Cosmetic Palette number 2. Alright guys, so I'm just going to jump right in. This is the palette that everybody is talking about. It's Itsmyrayeraye X BH Cosmetics Palette number 2. Is very different from the first one. The first palette is mostly like neutral colors, everyday look, and this one is just bold. So if you're not used to bold colors like this, I suggest you try the first palette, first before jumping into this one. So we're just gonna jump right ahead. I already apply my foundation and everything. This is just gonna be eyeshadow look or an eye look, so I'm just gonna jump right in. So I'm just gonna prime my eyelids using Too Faced Born This Way concealer. And I'm going to set my eyelid with Mercier powder. I always do this before applying any eyeshadow. Alrighty, so the first eyeshadow that I'm going to use Brick as transition color. Use that on my crease. I'm also going to use bark on top of the brick. I like bark really. I can just see using brick and bark every single day. Really pretty. Next, I'm going to use Macao in the outer corner of my eye crease. And this is Macao. So on my lid, I'm gonna use this color right here called Top Notch. I'm gonna use that on my lid. colors are really pretty. Just definitely like summer colors, I would say. But it's really, really pretty. Okay, so I'm going to use Charm in between where Cacao and Top Notch meet. I'm going to use Charm right in the middle of it, just to give it a little color. So this is Charm, this purple color right here. I love this purple, so pretty. I know I keep saying that, but it's so pretty. And I'm gonna go back in with Top Notch and just reapply. This is so pretty. All these colors goes really, really well. You would think like the purple and Top Notch will not go together, but it goes really, really, really well. I'm loving these colors right now. So I'm gonna go back with Brick, and I'm just gonna reapply so we don't lose that color right on top here. I'm just gonna bring it out. So next I'm going to mix Brick and Bark together, and I'm gonna apply it underneath my eyes. So like that. I'm going for like a smoky kind of look. So next I'm gonna go in with Charm, and I'm gonna apply it, this color right here, and I'm gonna apply it right in the middle of my lower lash. I'm gonna go back and use Top Notch right next to Charm. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and apply eyeliner, mascara, and put some lashes on, and I'll be right back. So this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, and thanks for watching.